So I've just completed the Developing a World-Class Brand workshop with MeMedia and with Chris Hogan. This was very, very different. It was informative, it was practical, and it allowed you to think about your entire marketing strategy from a bird's eye view and be more strategic in how you want to engage your audience.
I would highly recommend it to anyone that's feeling stuck with their marketing. It was so incredible to really go through the fundamentals of marketing.
Absolutely buzzing. I actually need to go and sit down and just unpack all of the ideas.
I think Chris's delivery style and the engagement were fantastic, so thank you so much, MeMedia. Really appreciate it.